Here's trending apps called QUINN Audio Stories app, Stories in Guided Session. So this is like audio app, but the idea of that app is it's the app for audio erotica. So listen to immersive erotic stories from your favorite voices on the internet. Browse creators, categories, and playlists to find what you like best. But the thing is, this app is not some cringy app. It's very high in the charts, and it has like more and more very like popular influencers or like top actors with great voice participating in this app. And if you really like audio, this is definitely the app for you. What calls it Spotify for erotica. Yep, so there you have it. Free to download, $5 per month for unlimited access. And then you can just go in here, and then you have different stories from like some famous influencers, some originals. You can see them here. Yeah, so this is like, if you like audiobooks in this niche, this is the top app for you here. You can see best categories and different tags, and then you can see here, and then top creators, male, female, non-binary, and then there is the whole library, and then there is your profile, there is your account. You can edit it out. You have your account. You can delete your account if you don't like the app. You can just read more about it. So it's made by women for the world. So here's you have that. So yep, that's basically the idea here. And then you can just bookmark it, and so that's basically the idea. Try it out.